need specific details about a product, want to discuss a custom order, or have questions about shipping and delivery times, you need to know how to contact the seller directly. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send a message to a seller on Etsy. Let's dive right in and get your questions answered. The quickest way to contact a seller is directly from a product listing you're interested in. Once you're on the listing page, scroll down past the listing photos and product details. Look for the section titled Meet Your Sellers. When you click it, you will see the shop owner's name, and right below that, you'll find a small link that says Message Seller. Clicking that link will open up a conversation window so you can start typing your inquiry. Now for the message itself. Always be polite and clear. Start by making sure you are logged into your account. In the box, clearly state your question. For example, you might ask, "Hello, I love this item. Can you confirm if the bag has internal organization pockets before I order?" Remember to include any relevant details like the item name or order number if you are messaging about an existing purchase. Keep it concise. When you are satisfied with your message, simply click the arrow button. Etsy will send you a confirmation and your message will be delivered directly to the seller's inbox. Now, how do you know when they reply? Etsy will typically send you an email notification, but you could always check your messages directly. It's that simple. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Etsy how-to videos. That's how you send a message to a seller on Etsy. In this video, I showed you how to send a message to a seller on Etsy. This helps with contacting a seller, custom orders, or questions about shipping.